Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Finding a local minimum from a derivative is fast. We just see where the slope changes from negative to positive quickly.
First, we look at the derivative equation provided. Since the squared term is always positive, the sign of the entire derivative depends entirely on the sign of x squared term here. Next, we find where that sign term equals 0 within our given interval. This happens when x squared equals pi or 2 pi, giving us potential critical points for our function. Finally, check the sign change at x equals square root 2 pi. The derivative flips from negative to positive, confirming our local minimum. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check your steps.